Meet the Karcher Follow Me electric pressure washer. It's lightweight and highly maneuverable, making cleaning easy and efficient. With oversized rear wheels and steerable front-mounted wheels, it easily follows as you clean over and around most obstacles and surfaces. Along with the wheels, the 35-foot power cord and 15-foot high-pressure hose let you clean up to 7,500 square feet without interrupting your work to move or reposition the power washer. Getting started is a snap. Quick connect fittings on hoses and attachments make it quick, easy, and secure. The Vario Power Spray Wand lets you adjust the pressure by twisting the barrel of the wand. The Dirt Blaster Spray Wand increases the effective cleaning power by up to 50%, and both use up to 80% less water. The patented Karcher nozzle works in tandem with the non-corrosive maintenance-free pump for unmatched deep cleaning efficiency. The onboard detergent tank is convenient and has a wide mouth for easy filling. The top of the Follow Me stores the spray wands, power cord, and hose when not in use. And the Follow Me is light enough to easily carry by its included handle.